Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show notification to the lock screen on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you may often miss notification because they don't appear, don't need to be worried guys, because you can display notification on the home screen or on the lock screen, so you can easily see notification without having to open the lock screen first. And how to do that is quietly easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Alright, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down. And then here now you can go to notification and status bar. And then after that, now you can click lock screen notification and click format. And then now you can show notification and content, and then will be like that. Alright guys, so yeah, now you can see the notification from the lock screen guys. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys.